All right, you guys, we're about to make the best potato salad you've ever made, you guys. These are the ingredients. So I'm about to show you everything, assemble all this together, you know what I'm saying? And I'm gonna show you how to make it in a very simple, easy way with these easy ingredients. You guys, let's get into it. All right, so now we're about to make the custard that's gonna go into the potato salad. Now this is key. Now, you know, we're gonna make it first, not actually put it into the potato salad till we finish it, because we don't wanna break up the potatoes as we're mixing in this custard. So we're gonna do is first things first, you always gotta have mayo. Some people do Miracle Whip with mayo. I'm just doing straight mayo, you guys. All right, so this is 1.5 cups of mayo. You know, it might not seem like a lot right now, you know, but you can play around with it however much you like. Like, this is just the base of it. Next, you want to have some mustard, you guys. Always mustard is key in real potato salad, so mustard. So what I did in this one, I have two tablespoons of mustard and 1 tablespoon of honey mustard. That's a little sweet, little kick, you know, but not much that you can notice it. I just wanted to throw that in there. So like I said, what we're doing is, you know what I'm saying, building flavors and leveling them up, you know, to get to where you like. Now, what I like to do is add in a tablespoon of, you know what I'm saying, ranch seasoning. So to each his own, this is what I do. You don't have to do that. You can get your favorite seasoning that you like, but that's the season I like because it has everything in there, garlic, you know, all the stuff that's supposed to be in ranch seasoning, let's put it like that, and paprika. So this is a teaspoon of paprika. We're gonna be using paprika throughout this ingredient, so, you know, but I'm gonna use a little bit in here. And just mix your ingredients up. You gotta just mix it up till it's thoroughly through. Now, this might seem like a lot to you, or may not, but we gotta remember we have in about 5 pounds of potatoes this is gonna be added to. So just mix it up. All right. Once you get your finished, you're mixing everything up first. Now this is what makes it easier on you. Now the potatoes already boiled. I'm not gonna waste your time boring you on how I did the potatoes. If you check out my other potato salad video, I definitely did that. But you know, these are 5 pounds of potatoes, you know, chopped up, boiled down. Anytime you do your potato salad, when you're boiling your potatoes, flavor is your friend, you guys. So make sure you add some chicken bouillon to your broth while it's boiling. You know what I'm saying? Flavor goes a long way in this. Now don't overmix this, guys. This consistency is just enough. All right, so let's move over to the rough ingredients, you know, that we're gonna mix it in. All right, so I'll see you in a second. All right, so now we're gonna do your texture ingredients to your potato salad. So Southern potato salad has to have eggs, celery, onions, and relish. Now you can do sweet relish, it's up to you. This is not sweet relish, that's why you notice that I add a little bit of sweet mustard in there like that to give it a little sweetness. But if you like to add sweet mustard, go ahead, you know what I'm saying, to each his own, but that's what, you know, this is how I like to make it. And stuff like that, because not everybody likes sweet in their in the potato salad. I'm thinking about sweet potato pie, but anyway, you know, so just letting you know, that's the reason why I did it. But if you want to do it, go ahead. What this is 1/2 cup of relish. This is a cup of chopped up minced onions, white onions or yellow onions, whatever you like. You can get the sweet onions, you know what I'm saying, add a little sweetness to this. This is for the crunch, okay? And also too, this is a cup of celery. And last but not least, the star of the show is the egg. So this is 2 cups of egg. All right, you guys, so we're gonna get ready to assemble all these together with the potato. So I'm gonna add a little bit of stuff at a time to mix it all in first, but I'm gonna actually add in everything right now. And then I'm gonna add in, and after I finish adding all of this, I'm adding in my potatoes, and then we're gonna mix in the custard. All right, you guys. Now it might seem like a lot of onions and celery. We gotta remember, it's 5 pounds of potatoes. And like I said, add some egg in. Now this 2 cups of eggs is 4 eggs. But I have more eggs. Actually, in this ingredient, I have 6 whole eggs, and you'll see why at the end, you know, where the other eggs come into play. All right, so mix all your ingredients together. Like I said, chop up everything. Make sure you don't have too many big ones. What I did was I chopped up my eggs 2 different ways, small and then medium, so everybody can, you know, have a little something in the party. All right, you guys, so that part is done. And what now we want to do is add in your potatoes. Now you can add in actually the mixture of the little custard, that goes in it first, but it's up to you. I'm gonna add a little bit of potato salad in little by little, then add in, like I said, you don't want to put too much in all at one time. Mix it in, because this is how you make sure you don't have too much or too little of everything. So this is where this comes into play. So just fold it in. Now what I did was I cooked my potatoes the day before, put them in the refrigerator, let them sit. Now you can do this, you don't have to, or you can just boil it up the same day, let it cool down for about an hour or two, and then apply all your ingredients in there. Because you don't want to, make your potato salad, hot. So, if I don't know about you, but I like cold potato salad. So I want my ingredients to be cool. And if you make sure you do it that way, your potato salad doesn't come out like mashed potatoes. I don't know why people do mashed potato salad. I mean, to each his own, like I said. I'm not knocking how you do it, but that's not how I do it, and that's how I was taught by my mom and my grandmother and auntie. So this is my mother's potato salad. Next you want to do is add in a little black pepper. So just sprinkle a little black pepper in there before you add in, because once you start mixing the ingredients, that's all you need. Probably a tablespoon, or a teaspoon black pepper. And that's about it, because all of your ingredients in here has great season. And like I said, you can season to taste. That's what I'm doing. So right now, I'm going to add in the custard into it. And doing this, you can always add to it if you don't have enough. So that's why I didn't add that much into this. I always need a rubber spatula. Like I said, you want to use all the ingredients. Everything goes into the pool, you guys. All right, so now this is where your rubber spatula also comes into play. Start folding in your ingredients where the rubber spatula does not tear up, where you can tear up your potatoes if you use it too much. Just a tool that's too rough. So just add it in, fold it over. Like I said, you see me go on the sides, right? Because I'm not going directly on top of it. Alrighty. It's coming together, guys. Alrighty. Now here is where you can start adding stuff. Mind you, if you do too much, you can subtract from it. But you can add, like, this is half of the mixture of the potato salad. So I mean, I can add more potato salad in there. I can add more mayo, more mustard. This is where, you start building, guys, more and more your flavor. All right, so I'm gonna get ready to finish this up. And I'm gonna put this in the pan, but it's almost done, you guys. And I'll show you at the end what I'm gonna do with the rest of the eggs. Alrighty, so now the potato salad is fully whipped up. Now I'm gonna show you what I'm gonna do with the leftover eggs that I have. This is for garnishing at the same time, so that's why you want to actually save an egg. So this is a pretty cool gadget. All you gotta do is just slice, and that's it, you guys. And just put on top of your potato salad. I like to line them up. This is just for decoration purposes. Now, you don't have to do the same exact thing, but something I like to do when it comes down to presentation and, when you're cooking with somebody, because this is actually a client's potato salad. They said they wanted some homemade, southern potato salad. So we give it to them, guys. And just use everything you have. So let me show you once again. Now, if you're interested in this product, I have it actually in my store for you to get. Real simple and easy. Cool little gadget. I like little gadgets. So here we go, guys. So just place them wherever you like. Like I said, this is just for presentation, show purposes. So it has to be neat and cute, ever like that. It just, you know, nice enough to just, you know, give a little something, put a little something on top. And hey, eggs, more the merrier, you guys. All right, so what we're gonna do now, move this out the way. All right, let's center this bad boy. And last but not least, I told you I was gonna use some paprika at the end, because you can't have southern, you know what I'm saying, potato salad without some paprika on top. Now, paprika does not have flavor of any kind. If you get smoked paprika, yeah, it's a different story. And just sprinkle it over, guys. All right. Presentation is key. And voila, we're done, you guys. So I'm about to get to wrap this video up. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Thanks for stopping on by. If you're new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe, you guys, to the Urban Culture Kitchen, you guys. If you haven't been over my Facebook page, go over there, stop over there. It's the Urban Culture Kitchen. Food feeds the soul, you guys. I'm your Chef KC, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Check out my next class, guys. If you haven't, make sure you check out these videos towards the end.